In this video, I will walk you through an in-depth Hikari teeth whitening powder review to see how it stacks up against traditional whitening treatments. When you compare this powder to standard whitening strips or gels, the biggest contrast is the absence of harsh chemicals. While many competitors rely on heavy peroxides that cause shooting pains, Hikari uses a peroxide-free and fluoride-free formula. This makes it a standout choice for anyone with sensitive teeth who usually has to sacrifice brightness for comfort. The trade-off here is between complicated gadgets and pure simplicity. Most advanced whitening kits require LED lights or messy trays, but this comparison shows that Hikari wins on convenience because you simply dip any toothbrush into the powder and brush. It is built around a 3-in-1 formula featuring microfine polish technology, which gently buffs away stains rather than bleaching them chemically. According to the source, over 1 million customers have transitioned to this dentist-formulated method. The formula uses sodium bicarbonate to lift deep-seated stains and sorbitol to help protect against cavities by not feeding bad bacteria. This makes it more of a comprehensive oral health tool than a one-dimensional cosmetic product. If you are looking for a gentle, fast-acting solution that freshens breath better than standard mouthwash, Hikari appears to be a very strong contender in the market. Thanks for watching my review. Let me know in the comments if you prefer powders or strips for your routine, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more dental tech comparisons.